Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing another hair care video, and today we are featuring the Briogeo Scalp Revival set. So we have the shampoo, conditioner, the hair oil, and the little hair brush, which is what I am really excited for. So this is supposed to help with scalp stimulation. It's supposed to really help the shampoo, conditioner, whatever you're using this with, really get in there, and it is supposed to like stimulate your scalp, which could help with hair growth as well, which is something that we want. And this is the shampoo. It is in this like little jar, and they do have peppermint in them, so they do smell pretty minty, and they are pretty much supposed to clarify and detox your scalp, which is what I want, because when you are trying to like grow out your hair and damage, you do not want your scalp to be clogged with, you know, oil, debris, dirt, and any of that stuff. So something like this, I want to say about once a month, is really good to use. So because we don't fit in my bathroom together, I am going to shampoo and condition my hair. And while I am shampooing, I'm just going to massage this in circular motions, and I will be back with the styling. That way you get to see this little baby in action and other products that I use. I'm going to try to use different products than what I used in my last video, just so that I'll switch it up a little bit, but I'll be right back. Now that we are back, I'm just going to split my hair in two and brush my hair out. And now I'm going to apply the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment onto my scalp. So you are supposed to shake this up really well. And now I'm just going to apply this directly to my scalp. And I'm going to massage that in with this little device. And I'm going to take some of the water out of the ends of my hair since it is dripping, and I don't like personally applying my product on dripping wet hair. Now I'm just splitting my hair in two again. And I'm going to be applying this OGX Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. And I am going to apply it to, I guess, like the complete back of my head, and then in the front from about here all the way down. I do not want to add this to my roots since it is like an oily serum. It does have coconut oil in it. And this is an anti-breakage serum, so it is supposed to, you know, protect your hair from breaking. Which in the very front of my hair, I do have a lot of breakage, but that product can be a little heavy for the front of my hair and make it really flat, so I do not want to apply it there. Now I am going to apply a little bit of the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner on the front of my hair. So I'm only using about this much, so it's not much at all. And I'm just applying it just like this and making sure to get all of the baby hairs and the broken hairs that I have up here. So the front of my hair is typically like the driest place, just because I do have a lot of breakage, and that's from me wearing ponytails like every single day. In like middle school, my hair is just like horrible. And whatever's left, I'm going to apply at the ends of my hair. And now for the styling, I'm just going to flip my hair upside down and comb it that way. Shake a little bit. And now we're just going to scrunch. And now I'm just going to diffuse my hair. And we are doing this on warm, low heat. Now you can see how voluminous my hair is, and this is because my hair is really thin, so an overload of product just weighs it down. The less product I apply and the lighter the product, the more voluminous my hair is. And I am going to separate my curls with the anti-breakage serum, so I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingertips and start separating the curls. So I am going to fluff out my roots first. And it is good to apply an oil or something first, just so that you don't create extra frizz. Now with a little more, I'm just going to start separating some curls that are clumped together. And it is good to do this on completely dry hair, so make sure your hair is dry when you separate them. And I'm just gonna go off camera just to fix my bangs a little more, since I can't really see in the camera. So for my bangs, I did add these very tiny black claw clips just to give them a lift. You could see one there, and I do have another one here, since those curls were a little longer and I wanted to shorten them without, you know, cutting them. And yes, this is the finished product. As you can see, I do have some definition and my hair is voluminous as well. Let me do a spin. And as you could see, my hair looks even better than last time, I want to say, and that was only like, what, 2 weeks ago or so. And yeah, if you enjoyed this hair care routine, please like the video and share it with your friends so that more people can watch it. If you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. I do post every Monday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, and I do post hair care, fitness, makeup videos. I think I'm gonna add some skincare videos pretty soon if you're interested in that. And please comment something nice down below, and thank you guys all so much for watching. If you are still here at this point in the video, please leave red heart emojis down in the comments. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, toodles.